Now here is how you can make the apps bigger on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the first option on how you can do this is when you hold it down somewhere on the screen so you can enter the edit mode. All of the apps are now customizable and everything, but in at the top left there is the edit button like this. When I tap on it, I need to click the customize section. And the button right here, which is, above the selection, and, it kind of looks like two squares. So you can tap on it like this, and it will basically bump up the size of the icons. So the difference now is that they don't have the description below them, so it doesn't say the name of the app anymore, and it kind of looks larger, right? Obviously. So that's the first way you can make the apps look bigger. Outside of this, you can go to your settings app and find the display and brightness. And at the bottom, oh, sorry, I just bumped up the brightness too much, right? And at the bottom, you can see we have the display zoom. And you can choose between the two options. The default one is probably selected, but you can as well make it go to the larger text. So if I switch it to the larger one and confirm it, it's kind of like gonna restart it and give me the black screen. So I have to wait just a little bit for it to be reloaded. And now I think the apps are even larger than they were before. So this is how you can definitely make the apps look bigger. So I hope that this video has helped you out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up and I will see you later in the future uploads. Stay tuned for more and I'll talk to you then.